Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all student. Okay, so as we have started in our previous lesson the chapter number 3, glimpses of the past from Homeita's book Honeydew, and it was taken from our freedom movement and it was written by S.D. Sawant. So S.D. Sawant, I have given about his information about you in the previous video, and we have started the lesson with two topics, that is the martyrs and the company's conquest. Yes, so we are going to start the next part, that is the British rule which has been fought between 1765 till 1836. Yes, what happened actually, how the British ruled Indian people. See, the social fabric was in bad shape. The social fabric was in bad shape. We can say religious leaders who are there, like in Muslim, Hindu, and everybody, there are different religious preachers. You have seen preachers, those who give guidance about their religious matters. Yes, so such religious people, leaders, absurd practices, very awkward practices like untouchability. The higher class, lower class, middle class, they used to divide and they used to not to go to the another class. If they will go, they will be untouched, like they will not allow to come into their own, we can say community people. They cannot rejoin them, like that. Untouchability and child marriage. At a very low age, the girl is getting married. And such kind of, we can say religiously, they used to practice which were absurd, which was not good, which was very worst, we can say. In truth, Indians had lost their self-respect. Yes, as on one side the Britishers are pushing them in all sides to pay taxes, these and that, and on the other side the Indian religious people, they are pushing the people in such a condition, in a worse condition, that they are not able to come in any of the way with a free way. Yes, that made the Indians very much worst condition, we can say. Yes, the British scorned, we can say they used to refuse and reject. Yes, they used to refuse the Indian people, and the farmers and the artisans were the worst hit, because the farmers and the artisans who are in the lower level, the British used to make them slave in such a way that they have to work also, at the same time they have to pay the heavy taxes. Yes, so heavy taxes ruined the farmers. It has been made the worst condition of the farmers, because they are not able to pay the fee, we can say taxes. The British cut the thumbs of expert artisans if they are not paying the fee, means taxes. As I have already told, they used to punish the people. So like that, the British used to cut the thumbs of the artisans. Yes, so the British used every method to make maximum profits. So to get maximum profit from any of the way, he used to frighten the people first because of the fear, so that the people will, whatever the British will say, he will follow it. Like that, the British thought, and the Indians were really felt very much fear of the Britishers. Yes, the imports from England became tax-free. Import, we can say that the export which they used to take from the imports of the England, which is tax-free. So it is a inequality done in the, we can say export, which the goods from one country to we are sending to another, and import, we can see from other country some goods is coming to our country. So like that, import is becoming tax free, and from the goods which we are producing, that for taxes, like that, which is going to be done, we cannot predict anything, because that was the thing happened, because Indians were not able to see their condition. They are not able to pay the taxes, still they are in a condition, because punishment, to escape from the punishment, they are paying the taxes anyhow, and they are starving without food also, we can say. Yes, so let us see through the poet, we can say that textual. Yes, religious leaders preach ideas like untouchability and child marriage. Religious leaders are preaching, giving guidelines in such a way that which made the people, we can say that, in a worst condition, because anyone who crosses the seas will be taken from the religion. We can say when they cross the river or sea to the other country, they loses their religious, like we can say if he is a Hindu, if he crosses or any community people, he will be not taken inside that, like that. He has been crossed the, we can say that religious matters which should not be done by the people. It was the preacher preaching the people like this. Yes. So the women are the cause of all the misery in the world. Know that? Oh. So here the people are talking, the Brahmins we can see here, they are talking that this all condition has happened because of the women's only, and they are the cause, and they are the we can say sadness behind this everything. Women are made the worst condition. Because of that women only we are now having such a condition in our country like that. Some people started to blame on women's. Yes, the truth was that Indians had lost self-respect. Indian has lost the self-respect by giving their self-respect, we can say, to the Britishers. Yes, and mutually the British seeing them. What happened? The Britishers has taken the scone, we can say that they have taken all the power of them by making them slaves and work. Yes, the natives are unworthy of trust, incapable of honesty, because the natives we can say incapable of honesty. Even the we can say the princes we have seen, they have lost it because we can say they have trusted the Britishers as they will help them, but they have taken a chance, loopholes as I have told. They have taken a chance and they have captured like that also. Yes. So true, your honor, but I am honest. Like that they started to tell them, make it as a honest people to be. But some are honest and some are unworthy. We can say unworthy people are made as honest people. Yes. So being merchants. So what happened? The Britishers now making the people, those who are unworthy, and making them as a honest people. Yes. So being merchants, the British wanted quick profits, and their heavy taxes forced farmers to abandon their fields. So what happened? The Britishers want to make profits in any way. They just want profit. So what they have done? They are taking the taxes in a very heavy amount, and they are making the farmers to pay it, otherwise their fields will be taken, will be captured, like will be conquered by the British. Like that the Britishers are forcing the farmers to do such a thing. Yes, you are still in the areas. If you don't pay next week, I will have to send to jail. So here the British in one situation, he is telling to the farmer that still you have not paid the taxes, and this week if you are still you are in areas, that means before taxes which the farmer has to pay, he has not paid. So for this he is saying that previous also you have not paid, and today also you are not paying. If you are not paying in the next week, your fields will be taken by the Britishers. Yes. So but your men and my men are taking all my crops. So here the Britishers taking the tax, okay, but at the same time the crops which has been grown, from that only they will get the amount, the farmers will get the amount. If that only is taken by the other side by the Britishers, then how they will get money? One thing, because here the Britishers are asking the taxes from their crop selling, but if the farmers, the crops which has been grown, that crops itself is taken on the other side by the British people with a free of cost, then how they will be selling that crop and how they will get money and what they will pay the taxes to the Britishers. Like that one man is saying from the farmers that the crops which has been grown has been taken by your British. What we can do now if we want to pay taxes? Like that one farmer is asking to the British. In this picture you can see. Yes, the next one you can see. Furthermore, the British invented methods which gave them even more profits. The Britishers started to think one day by day, new methods. So there are new methods to take taxes from the Britishers. We can say the Indians. Yes, so he started to think of new methods so that he can make more profits from the people. Yes, the goods manufactured in England should not have any import duty when they brought to India. industry. So what happened? He is saying that the products which are manufactured in England and which is brought to India, that product will have no taxes. Like that the Britishers is saying. And splendid idea, what another Britisher is saying, that yes, splendid idea what you are saying, because we will get profit from that. Yes, the East India Company laws began to cripple Indian industries, because if we will not take any taxes from the import, then export only, we are just doing everything, then what will happen? We will not get any profits from that. It will be a profit to Britishers because they are belonging from that country. So what is here is making the Indians fools, we can say. Yes, and famines inevitability followed between 1822 and 1836. In the year 1822 till 1836, famine, we can say, people are dying of starvation. People are not having money to have any food and everything. So because of famine, people are dying in the period of 1822 till 1836. And you can see 15 lakh Indians died of starvation. At the time of that 1822 till 1837, 15 lakh Indians have been died because of famine. Yes. So the British policies ruined the expert artisans and their business. Yes, because if they are not paying taxes, and because the artisans are so poor that they are not able to pay taxes. And if they are not paying taxes, the thumbs of the artisans are cut, which made the artisans without jobless, and they are like not able to pay taxes. At the same time the business are ruined. So this was the condition of the Indian people in the British rule. And we can say that the religious preachers and the Britishers of making a new method to make profits, and the farmers who are not able to pay taxes because of the crops which has been grown, which has been taken by the Britishers as well. So many conditions which made the people so much worried about their condition when the British was ruling them. We can say the whole condition you have seen in the picture wise.